Want to increase your YouTube subscribers this year? Here's your 11-step guide to making better videos and growing your audience to 1,000 fans. If you're like most creators, you have a goal to boost your YouTube subscriber count. You want to get as many views as possible and turn casual viewers into forever fans. And we understand why. At the 1,000 subscriber mark, creators reap the biggest benefits of being on YouTube. They become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, which lets creators monetize their videos with advertisements. Plus, reaching the other program requirement 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million YouTube Shorts views makes getting into the YPP super easy. Ready to grow your channel? Here are the best ways to generate subscribers on YouTube. But before we start, if you will find this video helpful later, then consider subscribing on this channel for more tips and tricks. Number 1. Break your 1,000 subscriber goal into small chunks. First, here's a bit of raw honesty. Trying to collect 1,000 of anything is hard. It doesn't matter if it's dollars, pairs of shoes, or rare horror novels. You know it's going to take a long time, but you don't know exactly how long. And that is nerve-wracking. One solution is to chop the goal into manageable chunks. Instead of saying you want 1,000 YouTube subscribers right now, tell yourself that you want to gain 100 subscribers by March, 250 subscribers by June, 500 subscribers by August, 750 subscribers by October, 1,000 subscribers by December. You won't hit those exact numbers each month, but it's less scary and more encouraging to go after smaller, realistic goals. 2. Add a YouTube subscribe button to your videos. Here's an easy hack to gain subscribers on every upload. Either create or download a graphic that says, "Subscribe," just like this image, then go to the YouTube Studio and upload it as a video watermark. When viewers watch your content, they can click the graphic to subscribe to your channel. 3. Identify which videos attract the most subscribers. If you have 30 or more videos on your channel, why not see which ones attracted the most subscribers? The proper term for this metric is called subscribers gained, and you can find it in the YouTube Studio. 4. Place a YouTube subscribe link in video descriptions. The description box is much more than a holding place for your videos about section. You can also add links there, such as affiliate links, website links, and your social media. More importantly, pasting in a subscribe link lets people join your community in just a few taps. You can simply create a subscription link for your channel by adding this at the end of your channel URL. And once they click that link, they will be subscribed on your channel. 5. Do a YouTube collab to reach new viewers. Creators put a lot of work into video collaborations. They search for like-minded partners, brainstorm collab ideas, and film several videos together. But after all that work, the two creators get a priceless reward: sharing their overlapping audiences. Here's how it works. For each collab video, some viewers will have never heard of Creator A, and the same will be true for Creator B, but if all goes well, a portion of those new viewers become new subscribers for both creators. So if you're serious about growing, it's time to collaborate with other creators. 6. Create the 4 types of videos people love. There's no shortage of YouTube video ideas on the internet, but it's hard to know which ones will resonate with your viewers. Regardless of your channel type, we've found that 4 types of videos never go out of style: reaction videos, how-to videos, versus videos, listicle videos. Reaction videos are highly entertaining on YouTube. People love seeing someone react to funny or dramatic events, so those videos will always be popular. Versus videos are appealing because everyone loves a hot debate. Example: Samsung Galaxy or iPhone, cats or dogs, LeBron James or Michael Jordan. The other video types, how-to and listicles, answer questions people never stop asking. A how-to video could be titled, "How to Negotiate a $10,000 Pay Raise." Meanwhile, a list video might be 30 Cheap Meal Plan Ideas. 7. Take YouTube keywords, thumbnails, and video titles seriously. We say it all the time. The best way to grow your audience is by optimizing your videos for maximum discovery. But to do that properly, you have to take keywords, thumbnails, and video titles seriously. First, YouTube keywords are essential for making your content rank higher on search pages. So before you hit publish, add relevant keywords to your video title and description. 8. Promote your YouTube channel. If you want people to subscribe to your channel, spend some time promoting your videos to a wider audience. You can do this in many ways, such as posting on the YouTube Community tab, creating YouTube playlists, and sharing your content on social media. But that's just a small taste of what you can do. You have even more options, such as adding YouTube cards and end screens in your videos to promote extra content, commenting on other YouTube videos within your niche, hosting YouTube live streams, adding hashtags to your videos. 9. Create videos that deliver on their promise. Did you know that every video on YouTube makes a subtle promise? The title tells you what to expect from the video overall. The thumbnail is an emotional snapshot of what you're about to experience, from extreme happiness to nail-biting suspense. The video description confirms all of these things to be true. 10. Never stop posting new videos. It may not seem like it, but some creators don't have a problem getting subscribers on YouTube. They actually have a consistency gap. By not posting often enough, they miss out on influencing the YouTube algorithm and growing their audience. You don't have to post daily or even 3 days a week to grow on YouTube. But you do have to maintain a regular posting schedule to keep people subscribed to your channel. 11. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel. Lastly, always remind viewers to hit the subscribe button. Adding this call to action near the middle or end of your videos is an easy way to slowly gain 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.